Hi, Raiden.
Hi, Mommy.
What are you gonna make today?
This video, we are gonna make ice cream. We are gonna make chocolate ice creams, Mom.
Wow. Really?
Yes. First we have whipping cream. Next is Nutella. Next one is powdered milk, condensed milk, some cocoa powder, crushed choco wafers. Let's pour the whipped cream. Squirrel it. Cocoa powder. Pour it. Pour it. Some powdered milk. Choco wafer. Condensed milk. Condensed milk. Nutella. Then you mix it. Can I mix it? Mix it. Then you mix it.
Hi, little chef.
Little chef. Da 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 da. I like licking the ice cream. Da 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 da.
You're so busy. What is that?
Chocolate ice cream. I share this with Daddy.
Okay.
Next, we are going to dip it in the mixer. Let's place the ice cream into the glass bowl. Spreading the ice cream. Let's cover the ice cream with plastic. This can go here. Then you have to put it in the fridge. Now the ice cream is ready. Scoop some ice cream.
Let's open it. Oop. How's the ice cream?
Great. Yummy. If you like my ice cream, please click like and subscribe.